Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Learn with Gigs. In continuation with the last video, we'll discuss today how we can put all the measures that are present in our report into one specific table, and what we call that table is a measure table. Okay, so let's start. This is a sample report that you can see on the screen. Now what I have to do, so there are several ways to do that. I will discuss with you one of the shortest way that I prefer. So what I have to do, I have to go to the modeling tab and click on this new table. Okay, now give the name of that table. I will call it a measure table, and just enter the curly brackets and press enter value 1 and click on enter. So curly braces just create a random table with that value that we have mentioned here. So it will create a column with the name as value, and it will contain the value as 1. So if I see from the report view data view tab, so as you can see here, so this is the measure table, and if I click on this value column, so you can see here we have one row with value as 1. Okay, now what I will do, I will go again back to the report view tab. Now if I have to move the measures that are present in this particular table, query table, so no measures are there here. You have to, if I go to the slicer table, yeah, I have two measures. So I want to put all these two measures into this measure table. What I will do, I will just go and click on that particular measure, go to this home table tab and select measure table. So it will shift that measure to the measure table. So as you can see here, it is shifted from slicer table to this measure table. Similarly, if I want to shift this slicer filtered visual measure to that table, I will go and just select measure table. So I have shifted both the measures that were present in this slicer table to this measure table. Similarly, you will do this for the other tables also. So all the measures that are present in all the tables will be shifted finally to this measure table. And at the end, what you have to do, you just have to go to this value column, click on these three dots, and click on this hide option. Now that column is gone, it is hidden. You only will see the measures that you have present, that you have shifted basically, and overall all the measures that are present in the report you can see as a table here. Okay, so this is one of the ways that you can do. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, as I will keep uploading these valuable videos for you all. Thank you.